So here we have a row of Lamborghini Performantes, the new Huracan, and pick a color, any color. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, the way the aerodynamics work on this car is pretty amazing.
I saw one yesterday.
It's pretty good in white. Wow, red is pretty striking. Pearl white looks really good. Damn. Pearl orange. Wow, this green is a new color. That looks amazing. This blue looks pretty awesome. Wow. Not bad. Not every day you see an Enzo. Pretty awesome. It's great in red. I'm not sure if that's volcano orange or not, but it looks pretty cool. Yep. Ford GT and Gulf Racing color scheme looks perfect. Damn, it looks nice. It's pretty good. Damn. Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
That's a big deal.
GT3 RS looks nice. Damn. I like the red rims. It looks good. Nice combination. Oh wow. I'm not sure, but that looks pretty sweet. Damn. Wow. Cage in the back. That is awesome. Wow. Damn. Wow. Awesome. Yeah, I like that Mercedes. It looks nice.
What's up, San Diego GT? I want to thank O'Gara for putting on this great event.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd buy it in this color, but it looks kind of cool.
Looks pretty cool.
Yeah. Interesting gray. Very cool. 991 GT3 RS looks hot in this lava orange color. Yes, very nice. I don't know if I like the clear tail lamps, if I'm honest.
Yeah.
I like the red, but I don't know if it's an option or if the GT3 just has clear ones. Is this the brown? I think this is the brown. Oh yeah, nice. Looks pretty good. Not bad. Spec on this 911 Carrera is very nice. Tan interior with the brown, and yes, it has a manual transmission, so that's always good. Oh, this is the sunroof. Interesting. Looks pretty good. Not bad. Lotus Exige looks pretty nice. That wing looks crazy. So this Lotus has an aftermarket or a different rear wing, but then you have these weird buttresses just sticking out of the middle of the engine cover, so that's kind of weird. Here's the stock wing for reference. Very nice. It's good. Yeah, looks nice. Interesting touch with the carbon fiber on the tail lamps. Wow, these BBSs on this Porsche look pretty cool. R8 V10, looks good. Yeah, very nice. I like that it has the rims from the very first one on it, so it looks good.
Those are sweet rims.
Yeah, I still like these a lot. Very cool.
What, do you want to be an American?
Murcielago looks good. New Huracan in orange looks awesome. Wow. That looks sweet. Damn. 2017 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. One of 20 produced. There is also 20 coupes. It costs $2.3 million and is powered by a 770 horsepower V12 engine. It has a carbon fiber monocoque and body. This is the 2015 Aston Martin Vulcan. It is powered by a 7-liter naturally aspirated V12. It makes 820 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. It is a track-only vehicle and cost $3 million. 24 were built. Thank you for watching my coverage of the San Diego Gran Turismo car show. Please subscribe to my channel, StickShiftStudios, for more automotive content.